Yeah, surveillance tech researchers I spoke with today were not really shocked that this video here could be recovered, even though it was said to be gone. Pima County Sheriff's Office had said it couldn't get this doorbell video because Nancy Guthrie wasn't paying the subscription and the camera was disconnected. So when FBI Director Kash Patel said his agency recovered video at her home from, quote, residual data, puzzling.
Residual would mean leftover, and in general we think it's either there or it's not.
It's not like we have to flush out our cables to make sure that there's no residue stuck in them. That's not really a thing.
Technology researcher Ben Jordan and MSU Denver computer science professor Steve Beatty know this surveillance tech stuff.
It just really is troubling for someone to think that their data isn't sitting on a server, especially if it's surveillance data from their home, and then it turns out to be sitting there the entire time.
The videos released by the FBI have a Nest watermark on them. Just like Ring cameras, Nest cams are on homes all over Colorado. Google's Nest privacy policy says when you don't have an active subscription, your camera saves up to the last 6 hours of activity before it expires and is deleted. But is it actually deleted?
So I'm going to say typically not.
Ring's privacy policy says it also doesn't save video when a subscription lapses. So where's the disconnect here?
The very fact that you can get video on your phone from the Ring doorbell means it's going through them at some point.
I think in a lot of these cases, it's not as nefarious as some people think it is. Like, I would love to think that they're actually saving this data for years because the government has secretly asked them to or something. I think in a lot of cases, it's just that they tend to be inept.
It's clear the recording is being used for good in this case. But should people be worried about who can see what their camera has captured?
Yeah, I think it's something we all need to be aware of, is that the images that we think, one, nobody cares about or are private might not be.
Another question with this stuff has been immigration enforcement. Ring now has a partnership with Flock, the AI-enabled tracking cameras used by police departments all over the country. That partnership allows people to opt into sharing their doorbell and surveillance cameras with Flock. And as we've reported extensively, immigration enforcement has used Flock cameras to search for people. Google, who runs Nest, did not reply to our request for comment. Spencer Soischer, 9 News.